अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आपने पिछले लेक्चर को पढ़ा होगा, मास्टर्स पार्ट 1 वाले स्टूडेंट्स। नेक्स्ट हम टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ नेशनल एजुकेशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान। पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था 1947, 1959 एंड 1970। टुडे वी हैव टू डिस्कस नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 1972. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto took charge of the federal government in 1971 as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. He expressed his firm reconstructional convictions in the field of education. He announced an education policy on March 29, 1972. The keynote of this education policy was the nationalization of the privately managed educational institutions. The implementation of the nationalization program put severe constraints on the national treasury. The non-development expenditure rose by about 6 times. Next is National Education Policy 1978. General Ziaul Haq took charge of the government in July 1977. He convened a conference to construct the whole system of education in consonance with the Islamic ideals. The distinguished teachers, educational theories, and intellectuals participated in the conference and presented valuable suggestions. Muhammad Ali Khan Hodi announced the National Education Policy in 1978. The basic change which was introduced through this policy was that the strengthen the ideological foundation of the nation and to foster unity of thought, brotherhood, and the sense of patriotism. Next is National Education Policy 1992. National Education Policy was prepared in the period of Nawaz Sharif government in 1992. That was formally announced by then Minister for Education Syed Fakhr Imam on December 6, 1992. Education for all was the keynote of this policy, educational policy. It was stated in the policy that education had not been able to assure a good life for the individual and society as a whole. The process of education, which had fallen victim to both external and internal efficiencies. This policy was initiated with the hope that the managers of education would be able to enrich the education process and concentrate on quality of education. Last one, policy, National Education Policy 1998, we have to discuss. Mr. Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, asked the Ministry of Education to formulate a national education policy that would lead the nation into the educational theories, intellectuals, and representatives of NGOs to prepare an initial draft of the policy. The federal cabinet received and reviewed the draft of the policy. Finally, then Prime Minister, in a national convention on education, announced the salient features of National Education Policy on 21st February 1998. This was a good and valuable addition in the national documents of education in the educational history of Pakistan. Today we have to complete the topic what is the brief national education documents of Pakistan. I think you have to understand. If you want to discuss anything, you have to question to give me and my inbox. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.